What is Bumblefoot? Bumblefoot is basically an infection caused by Staphylococcus bacteria which enters the chicken system through a cut, scratch, injury, or a chafed and irritated area on its foot. It affects all species of poultry and occurs worldwide. Since this infection is quite common among backyard chicken flocks, you may discover something foul. Since this infection is quite common among backyard chickens, you may discover that something foul is afoot while visiting your chickens one day. Let's take a look at a few examples. Because Bumblefoot mimics a typical foot or leg strain or injury, one of the first signs of this condition is limping. Chickens that have Bumblefoot will limp and sit or rest more often than usual to avoid pain. They may not want to roost and opt for sleeping on the ground instead. Another telltale sign is swelling of the joints in the toes and foot in general. So now you know a little bit about Bumblefoot. Please click like and subscribe for more medical videos every single week. Also, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our new content. Now, let's take a look at Thynergy.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Thynergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.